Hi, I'm Andy Sachs with Around Town Real Estate. If you've ever been responsible for selling a home after a loved one passes away, you already know clearing out the house can be the hardest part of the entire process, not just physically, but emotionally. Today, I want to walk you through what the process really looks like and how families can handle it without becoming overwhelmed. For many families, you're just not sorting through furniture and boxes, you're sorting through memories, decades of life, and sometimes complicated family dynamics. It's very common for people to feel stuck, guilty, or unsure what to keep, what to sell, and what to let go of. And when you're also managing probate timelines, legal responsibilities, and future home sale, the stress can compound really quickly. Here is the smart way to approach a cleanout. The biggest mistake families make is trying to do everything themselves. A structured approach works best. So first, identify what the family wants to keep or distribute. Second, determine what has resale or donation value. Third, responsibly remove what remains so the home can be prepared for sale. This prevents emotional burnout and keeps the process moving forward efficiently. Our job is to manage this entire process for families and fiduciaries. We coordinate estate cleanouts, donation and resale options, junk removal and recycling, light repairs, cleaning and staging, and prepare the home for market. Most importantly, we act as a neutral third party, helping families avoid conflict, decision fatigue, and unnecessary stress. A properly cleared and prepared home almost always sells faster for more money. Buyers can see the space, the layout, and the potential, not the clutter or deferred maintenance. That directly protects the estate's value and the beneficiary's outcome. If you're an executor, trustee, attorney, or family member facing this process, you don't have to navigate it alone. You can reach out to us for our services for a confidential conversation. Even if you're just looking for guidance, we're happy to help you understand your options and next steps. I'm Andy Sachs. Thanks for watching.